Hi, this is from Happy Puppy. I will be showing you the available pups at this moment. We have Golden Retriever, Pomeranian, Spitz and Lhasa Apso right at this moment in our kennel. We usually raise the pups till they become 2 months old. During this time, they develop a good immune system, they learn weaning, and they also learn different social skills from their mom. We deworm and vaccinate them in the meanwhile. After they become 1 month old, we let them interact with other puppies and dogs of different breeds. They learn bonding with human beings since we allow visitors.